Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to turn on biometrics to confirm payment on Facebook. Maybe you wanted to use your fingerprints on confirming payments on Facebook so that you feel more secured. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can turn on your biometrics to confirm payment on your purchases on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to tap on your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And here tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you need to scroll down and you will see the settings and privacy. Tap on this drop-down button and then select the orders and payment. Once you tap on it, you'll see here the security and controls. Tap on this security and controls. And then in here, as you can see, is biometric data instead of PIN. Tap on this button to turn on the biometrics. And then here, you need to create a PIN. After that, you need to use the biometric data. As you can see, the biometric data is now turned on. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to turn on biometric to use to confirm payments on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can turn on biometric data to use for your confirmation on payment, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.